Simply connect to this website, grab your affiliate link, then use this great traffic source to make some real money. Hello guys, I'm back again with a super simple method to earn $20,000 every month with affiliate marketing. And this doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. This method is available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. And before I start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any new opportunity to earn some cash online. And now, let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of this method, we're going to use digistore24.com. And basically, this is affiliate marketing network where you can go and select different products to promote them for huge commissions. So once you get sales through your affiliate link, you're going to get paid by Digistore24. And as you can see on Trustpilot, they've got over 2,000 reviews, and if we click on this, we're gonna get redirected to Trustpilot website, and as you can see, they've got rating of 4.7 out of 5, which is excellent really. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see plenty of reviews, plenty of 5 stars, so you can go and do some research of your own as well. But from my experience, this site is very popular and 100% legit. And as you can see with Digistore24, you can sell and promote digital products, software, events, physical products, and much more. So basically anything you think of, you can get it here. And in order to start using this website, all you need to do is click on this button, Start Now. As you can see, is 100% free to sign up. And let's just click on this. And it will redirect you to this form where you will need just to click on the affiliate, then type in your username and your affiliate link will come here, your email, some basic information about yourself, and that's it. Just make sure to enter a valid email address because they're gonna send you a confirmation link and you would need to click on that in order to use your account. And once you do that, just click on the Register for Free Now button and you're all done. And once you do that, once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So here you can see your total earnings per click, and all the information that you need in your future business. And I want to mention that Digistore24 is worldwide, so you can go and sign up from anywhere in the world and start making some great affiliate marketing commissions. And the first thing, once you get to your dashboard, what I want you to do is click on the marketplace button over here. And this is the main page we're gonna use today. As you can see on the left hand side here, you got plenty of categories to choose from. And here you can sort products by sales rank, and that means how many sales these products are getting, for example, per day or per month. So the products that is most popular with most sales per month, for example, is this product right here. So now this is some weight loss product, and you can also click here if you want to change currency. So if you want to see in US dollars, make sure to select that, and you're going to see all of your affiliate marketing commissions that you're going to earn in US dollars. Now, right here, you can see if you sell this product, you're going to get $130, and your affiliate marketing commission is 85%. Now, why I love affiliate marketing is because you can find these high-paying products with huge commissions, just like this, 85% commission. That's really great. So, for example, if this product costs $100, you're gonna keep $85, and that's really amazing. Now, there are some products that are paying more, sometimes some of them pay less, so it really depends on which product you're promoting. Now, what I want to show you guys is where we can go and promote this product, because I want to share with you guys some gold mine, because there is some new social media that not a lot of people know about. And for the second step of our method, I want you to connect to gab.com. Now, it is called Gab, and I want to show you guys how you can go and use this platform to get affiliate marketing commissions. But first of all, I want to show you how popular this social media is getting. So if you go on similarweb.com and if you go and search how many visitors they're getting per month, you can see that just a few months ago in December, this website got like 10 million views per month. But right away in January, it got over 50 million people on their website, and that is really crazy. And you can see there's a little bit of a drop at the moment, so basically like 20 million still, and that is really a lot of people that can buy your product that you're trying to promote. Now, there is also one really important thing to see here, and it's the countries. So about 66% of the traffic is coming from United States, and that is really important for us. Now, in order to sign up on gab.com, you would just have to click on this button, sign up, and enter your information, username, email address, password, complete this CAPTCHA, and you're all done. Just make sure you enter email address which is valid, because they're gonna send you a validation link which you need to click on in order to get your account approved. And here it is. Once you're done, you will get here, and as you can see, it looks very similar to Facebook as well. And what I want you guys to do now is go to the left-hand side section over here and click on the groups section. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on groups, and you can go and, for example, search for some featured groups over here. So this is really important for us because we can go and see what is popular on this website, so you can find the product that is related to these people in these specific groups and offer them the product to buy. And once they buy the product, you can earn affiliate marketing commission. Now, for example, if you click on cooking over here, that could be something related, for example, to weight loss. And as you can see, this group has got over 70,000 members. So you can go and promote something, for example, some recipes or weight loss supplements or something like that. So what you can do is go back to Digistore and search, for example, food and drinks over here. So click on that, and you can see there are some products that you can buy and promote in this niche. So if you go and promote this product and they buy these recipes over here, you're going to earn $3.5. Now, if, for example, 1,000 people buy this product, you're gonna earn $3,500. But now, what I really suggest you guys to do is to find some high ticket offers, because you don't need 1,000 people to buy this cheap product. If you, for example, sell a $300 or $500 product and you earn that commission, you're gonna earn this amount from less sales. So if you promote the product that is going to pay you guys, for example, $500 per sale, and that means only 5 people buy the product, and you're going to earn $2,500. So what you can do is go to these category sections over here, and let's use business and investment, for example. And now let's see, for example, here, cryptocurrency offer. This is gonna get you $3,500, so $350 for each one of these. Now, when you sell 10 of these, for example, you're gonna earn $3,500, and that's some really sweet money. And now let's talk about, for example, how you can go and promote this product. Now, cryptocurrency, the product that we looked at, is something related to business, so you want to find some business groups. So you want to search for these, and you want to search for some business groups, or for example, here's one really related to it, and it's called Bitcoin. And what you need to do now is click on the join button over here to join this group, and immediately you can start posting to it. Now, people here are talking about Bitcoin and probably other cryptocurrencies as well. So this is a great traffic source for the product we just saw on Digistore 24. And what you can do is you can go and get your affiliate link by clicking on Promote Now button and pasting that link in here. Now, I would make a post and I would write something like, here is the best product for all of you who are interested in cryptocurrency. You can learn a lot from this and so on. And just paste your affiliate link. And once they click on that, they're going to be redirected to the sales page. And this is how it looks like. It's basically a landing page for this product. And people would come here and get some information about this product. So basically, they would just click on Reserve My Seat Now, enter the email address and name, and they need to click on Masterclass Access. And once they're in, they're going to watch some webinar or something like that. And if they buy the product, you're gonna earn a lot of money. So as you can see, plenty of categories over here. You can search through all of these categories and find what suits you best and play with it for some time, and finding similar groups on Gab or on other social media networks. It doesn't matter. It just needs to be done. You have to start monetizing your time online and using these little simple tricks to make some extra cash on the side. It's really profitable. You just need to invest your time. You don't need any skill whatsoever. And the only thing that matters is that you're gonna get profit. So that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one.